Hello kids. So are you all enjoying? Yes, okay. So with full of enthusiasm, we will continue with English of class 5th. This is our first lesson and this is the third session of our lesson. Now we will continue with the scare Z. As in earlier session, we have discussed that the scare Z is present where she is present inside the castle. Let's see. Now, what had happened next? Not long afterwards, Scarecrow opened her eyes. She has opened her eyes, and when she saw Omar at her side, her heart began to thump as she saw the king's son Omar. Omar was just beside her. She felt very excited. She was very happy. Why? Because she saw the man. After seeing the man, her heartbeat starting throbbing hard. It start fastly, like the sound is coming. Blah, blah, blah. She was very excited. She was very happy to see the man. He was damn handsome. She was out of the world. She liked him very much. She felt that he is the true love of her. He is the person to whom she loved the most. Let's see. So, when she saw Omar at her side, her heart started thumping. Okay, this was the man she would like to marry, and she has decided that finally she got the man to whom she want to marry. So she took off one of her ring and slipped onto his finger as a token of love. Then what did she does? As she liked him very much, she just simply took off her ring. Ring. What do you mean by ring? Mama used to wear the ring in her fingers. So as the scared saw the king's son Omar beside her as her started throbbing. Then what did she do? She immediately understood that he is her love. So she took her ring and she slipped that ring towards the king as a token of love. As when the king will see the ring, he will be able to understand that someone has given this ring, someone who has loved him. Let's see what will going to happen next. It is very interesting now. Now, as she has given that ring as a token of love, then she went back to sleep. As soon as she passed the ring, again she went back to a deep sleep. Why did she sleep? Actually, there was a spell which was created by the genie. So, after sleeping the ring, she again go back to sleep. Let's see. On awakening means when you wake up in the morning. So on awakening, a little later, Omar set eyes on Scarecrow and was overwhelmed. What do you mean by overwhelmed? Overwhelmed means very happy. So soon after, as Scarecrow is now sleeping, Omar get up. As Omar awake, as he awake, he also see Scarecrow sleeping over there. And as soon as he saw her, he was overwhelmed. He was overwhelmed because of the beauty, as she was looking very beautiful. So he also got attracted as she liked Omar in the same way Omar liked Scarecrow. So what did the Omar say? Omar says that if this girl is a kind as she is beautiful, as she is very beautiful by her look. If she is kind too, then she would make a wonderful wife. Then, if as she is beautiful, if she is kind too, then he will definitely want to marry that girl and want to make his wife, said Umar. So he said, Omar, to himself. Now, to whom he is talking? He said to himself only, as he gazed. Gaze means looked. Gaze means continuous looking. Continuously looking. It is like when you stare something, when you just, as I am doing to you. So, by gazing him, as who gazed to whom? Actually, Omar gazed to Scheherazade, and he thought in his mind, I am going to marry this beautiful lady if her soul or by her nature, she is kind too. I'll be the very happy person. So, at her in amazement, he was gazing her, he was looking at her with full of amazement. Amazed mean he was wonder. He was thinking even, from where did she come in this castle? How it is possible? So then he took off a ruby ring and slipped it onto the princess' finger, and he fell asleep. As she has passed the ring, in the same way, Omar gave her ruby. Ruby is like a diamond. Ruby is maroon in color. Okay. So what did the king did? Now, sorry, king's son, Omar. Omar has also, in exchange, as she has given her ring to Omar, in the same way, Omar has also passed his ruby ring to the princess. And again, he was also asleep. Why they both are sleeping? Because of the spell which was created by the genie. Let's see. Now, this thing, both Abu and Dhabi crept out from behind the curtain wide-eyed. Now they both are in this position. They are looking on both of them. They are just seeing that what they both are doing, but hiding themselves behind the curtains. Now they have fallen in love. They understood. Who understood? Abu and Dhabi understood that Scheherazade loved Omar. Even Omar loved Scheherazade. So said the Dhabi. Who told this thing? Dhabi told to Abu that they both love each other. What are we to do now? Now, what we should do now? What should be our next step? Then they says that take Scheherazade home again. Now they say that we should take Scheherazade back to China. But if they have really fallen in love, they will move heaven and earth to meet again. So they says that if really they love each other, then in that condition, either they will meet in heaven or they will meet in the earth. How come? It means if you better love someone as you start loving your studies. So no one can defeat you. You will get definitely a good mark. In the same way, Abu Dhabi says that as it seems that they both love each other, so one day definitely they are going to meet either here in the earth or on the earth. Otherwise, they will going to meet in the heaven, means God's house. When Omar awoke matlab now he is get up, awoke, he did not find the girl there and asked the guard, but all in vain. Vain means he was dreaming. He asked the guard, hey, come here, listen to me. Did you see any girl over here? Then all the guards starting laughing. What are you saying? There was no one. But the king's son Omar said, no, there was a girl. Let's see. The king told Omar, my lad means son. The king told to Omar, listen, son, you are losing your head over a girl you dreamed about. So the king told to Omar, how can you say that? You must be dreaming. It is not at all possible. Because how can anyone come in the castle? Is it possible? You must be dreaming. Means you would have seen a girl in your dreams. So, no. Now Omar is excited. No, how can you say that? She wasn't a dream. She was not in a dream. Actually, she came here. The prince insisted. The prince told, no, father, just try to listen to me. Try to understand me. To whom I saw it was all real. I have a proof. I can show you. Definitely, the princess was here. This is the ring she left. You can see the ring. Because as she passed the ring to Omar, and Omar took out the ring and showed it to his father. Omar was lovesick. Now he was sick. He became ill. Why? Because he was looking for his love. Now he was completely on bed. Many doctors diagnosed him. He went to many hospitals. Many just around the area, many doctors visited to his palace, but nobody can cure him. Why? Because he was searching a girl, his dream girl, to whom he decided to marry. That's why he has become love sick. Let's see. The king called a doctor and a wise man. He called everyone, every sources, and from everywhere. The king called the man just to cure his son. But there was nothing they could do. But nobody was able to help. To whom? To Omar. Nobody was able to cure Omar. Now what had happened? And far away. Now, as he is now ill, very much ill, he is completely on bed. Now, on the other hand, let's see what had happened to Scarzed. Scarzed was also suffering with the same pain. Scarzed was also lovesick. She was also ill in China. The only person who believed the princess was Marzon. Now, nobody was ready to believe to Scarzed. This thing, Scarzed father says that no, you are telling lies. How can you meet anyone? You are telling the lies. You don't know anything. It would be in your dreams. But there was one girl, and her name was Marzuan. Marzuan was Scarzed's best friend. So she was her childhood friend. She offered to search for missing youth. So Marzuan says, don't worry. You just be comfortable. I will go out in search of your youth. Means in search of a person to whom you love. Scarzed handed Omar's ruby ring. So Scarzed thought, how can you find, as you didn't even see the Omar face, so how can you find? So you just carry this ruby ring with you, and when the king's son or Omar will see the ring, he will be able to recognize you. Let's see. So, what had happened? Marzuan set out that same day, and a great difficulty. She just went out in search of Omar because, beta, it's a very big world. How can you just go in any of the way to find something as you don't know the proper address? But for the sake of her friendship, Marzuan went out. She has to face lots of problem to reach that place. She has faced lots of difficulties, but finally she was able to reach the island of Caledon. Now finally she reached the island of Caledon. She asked the stranger, "Where am I?" Then one person, who is the stranger? Stranger means unknown people. Then she called one person, "Please listen." That man came and asked, "Yes, what happened?" Then Marzuan says, "Where am I? What is the name of this place?" Then the stranger told that this is the island of Caledon. So, on the island of Caledon, replied the stranger. Then the stranger asked, "Who are you?" Then Marzuan got an idea. She told that she first thought, as her friend Scarzad is not feeling well, she has become lovesick. So she thought, can be the possible that Omar would be also ill. So she told to the stranger that I am a doctor and famous in my own land. I am a very famous doctor at my place. I heard that the prince is seriously ill. Seriously means badly. Ill means sick. So Marzuan said that I heard that King's son Omar is very much ill. So I have come here to see him. The stranger then took her in the palace. Without saying a word, as Marzuan reached to that palace, she did not speak anything, just she saw that ruby ring to whom? To Omar. And Omar uttered a shriek and leapt on his feet. Just Omar, what did he do? Just he bowed down on Marzuan feet like this. And who? Omar. Omar asked, she touched the feet of Marzuan and asked her, "Oh dear, kindly tell me, from where did you get this ruby ring? I have given this ruby ring to the one I love the most. I am eager, I am very excited. I want to know where my love is." So, what had every onlookers means the people who were present in the palace, they were surprised. They just saw the king's son was lying in someone's leg. How can he do like that? This is the ring. Then the Omar told to everyone, "Look, this is the ring which I gave to the girl to whom I met." So that young lady is, then Marzuan told to everyone, "You are right. The name of the lady to whom you have given this ring is Scheherazade. She is the daughter of the king who belongs to China. She lives far off China and she is also dying to meet you. She is also very sick. Just nobody is believing her, as nobody is believing you over here. In the same way, no one has trusted her. So she is eagerly waiting for you." Therefore, he was very happy. Who was happy? Omar. And he gave that ruby ring to Marzuan and told, "You just keep it with you because you are the one who has given me my love." He presented that splendid ring to Marzuan. Now, finally, Omar and Scheherazade asked the king the permission to get married. So they both get married to each other. Now they were very happy. Now Lilibet said, "Well, I had said they are best looking couple in the world." Abu and Dabi were discussing that Abu says Omar is good, Dabi says Scheherazade is good. But what did Lilibet say? Lilibet told to them that as they both are together, so together they are the best couple in the world. As a pair of a boy and girl, they are the best. So Abu and Dabi, and I am certain their children will be even more handsome. So they say that when their children will come, they will be more handsome and beautiful. And so the argument finally ended up. Everybody was satisfied, and two genie hugged each other contentedly, means cheerfully. Finally, after hearing Lilibet that Princess Scarzette and Prince Omar together they are the best couple ever in the world. Nobody can be as smart or beautiful as they are. And in future, when they have the children, they will be also too much kind-hearted, smart and good-looking. So, did you enjoy the story? Yes or no? I think definitely it is yes. So, what did you see in the story? In the story, there were different phases. Different phases like in the beginning, the king belongs to other island and the queen, or you can even say princess. Princess belongs to other island. So how they unite by the help of someone else, and nobody in future what had happened by the help of spell they were together. After some time they were separated. Now it is proved that if you do something with your dedication, you will definitely going to get it. As Abu and Dhabi thought, as we are separating both of them, but if they really love each other, if they are really kind hearted to each other, then they will definitely going to meet one day, whether it's a heaven or on the earth. Love is blind, love is always blind, but we should have a trust on each other that we are going to meet one day. So by having that feeling of love, as they both has, Omar also has, and who else cares it? Everybody was saying, even Omar family was saying that there is no girl, you have gone mad. In the same way, Scarzette said, it is not possible, you would have gone mad. Nobody trusted to anyone. But finally, what had happened? Finally, they really meet each other and were very happy and delighted. So they decided to marry. Who had helped them? Abu Dhabi, definitely yes. Secondly, the Scarzette friend whose name was Marzuan. She helped a lot as she went to a path for her friendship. So friends are always there when you are in need. Okay? So Marzuan helped in finding a youth. Just she went to a unknown place, just asking one by one. She faced lots of difficulties in between, but she never gave up. Finally, she met Omar and she told everything to Omar that Scarzette is also not feeling well. She's also waiting for you. And Omar then very happy. He felt so much happy as Omar told to his father, the king, that I would like to go to Scarzette and want to marry. Even when he reached over there, Scarzette asked his father, then both the king met and made them they tie them in a bow. That is, they both get married happily and they both live ever after. So like this, everybody are always there for you when you are in need. What do you have to do? Simply always speak the truth, believe in yourself, and try to help others. So, moral of the story, if you are a kind hearted people, what will be around you? Blossoms are around you. So, did you enjoy the story? If yes, then definitely try out its exercise. It will be easier for you to understand. Okay? Now, have a nice day. Enjoy.